did.
Wait, did we miss it?
No.
Yes, we did. Look.
Oh, we did.
Oh shit. We're already fucking up. We're gonna get. Oh shit.
It's okay.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto County Road 346.
Turn right
Turn
up
left
here.
onto County Road 346, then turn left.
Turn left here.
Right here. You're good.
Do I turn around?
Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep. All right. Okay. We're almost there.
It's a long way. I don't know.
Well,
In a quarter mile, turn left onto County Road 336.
okay, right up here, baby. Right.
Turn left onto County Road 336.
That's a long fucking road. I don't know.
It'll be okay, babe.
I don't know.
Continue on County Road 336 for a half mile.
I'm scared.
Ain't jack shit out here.
I'm scared. We're gonna haul ass out of this motherfucker.
It's gonna be alright. We're almost there.
There's a car waiting.
No, there's not.
What is that?
I don't know. Can you stop freaking out? Hopefully it ain't a cop.
In a quarter mile, turn
I
left.
don't know if I want to go no more. I don't want to go.
Babe, we just drove
I don't
2
give a fuck
hours
what we
and
did.
15 minutes all the way down here.
That's creepy.
Just
No.
keep. Someone lives there. That's why.
Where's the fucking
I
house?
don't know. Right there?
The little shed?
Maybe.
No.
Look, there's a house right there.
Oh my god! No! It's right there! Oh my god! No! Let me turn around. I
Oh,
don't
wait.
wanna-
Stop.
I
Stop.
don't want to no more.
It's right there.
There's a fucking car! Look!
Babe, you are flipping shit for nothing. Oh my god!
Oh my god! It scared me!